A little over 5 months ago, I made a video showcasing some of the projects going on in and around the city of Enugu. Ever since then, some of you have been demanding to see the progress of work in some of those places. So yesterday, I took out time to visit some of the project sites to see what is going on there. Some of the project has already been completed and commissioned, like the International Conference Center and the Enugu State bus terminal, which was commissioned today, while others are still going on. Some of the places I visited are the sites for the new Enugu Smart City, the Enugu Flyover Construction, International Conference Center Hotel, Presidential Hotel, International Hospital, and a few other projects being done by a private individual. So if you have the money to invest, kindly do come home and invest in Alibo. There are still ongoing city beautification going on in the city, but that will be an update for another time. So until I come back to Enugu, let's see some of the projects going on around the city. This is the ongoing 5-star International Conference Center Hotel just beside the International Conference Center at Independence Layout, Enugu. This is going to be the biggest hotel project in Enugu being done by the Enugu State government. As you can see, the project is massive. For a while now, I haven't been able to update you guys on what is going on here in the city, but this is the current state of the project. As you can see, the project is progressing really fast and hopefully it will be completed in due time. Most of you know that the once abandoned Presidential Hotel Enugu is currently being remodeled by the Mbah administration, and this is what the hotel looks like now. Work is still ongoing, but hopefully it is going to be completed in due time. This is the current state of the ongoing International Hospital project along Rangers Avenue. This hospital project is being done by the Enugu State government, and as you can see, work is really progressing fast, and hopefully it is going to be completed in due time. This is the hotel project said to be owned by the former governor of Abaki State, that most of you have been asking to see the progress of work at the site. This is the current state of the project, and as you guys can see, the project is progressing really fast and work is going on there day by day. Just like most of you, I'm also one of the guys that's very curious to see how this project turns out. This is a very massive hotel project. I think, aside from the International Conference Center Hotel that is currently going on, I think this is one of the biggest hotel projects currently going on in the city. And there's another project just beside it, and it's a hotel project. So I don't even know which one is owned by the former governor of Abaki State. Whoever owns the project, I'm glad the person find Alibo worthy to invest in. Like I keep telling our people, whatever thing you think you can invest in, be it hotel or anything, if it is hotel that you know that you can fund and manage, kindly bring it home and do it in Alibo. Alibo wants and needs your investment. Bring your wealth home. Akulono. Whatever thing it is, bring it home and come and invest it here. Most of you know that Enugu Abaki Road is currently being dualized, and there's a flyover construction project going on at Ekobinago Junction in Emene. So this is the current state of the project. As you can see, work is progressing really fast, and hopefully it is going to be completed in due time. I also made a stop at Abakpa Enugu, where the ongoing dualization of Abakpa Opin-Suka Road is currently going on. I updated you guys when the demolition exercise started. So this is the current state of Abakpa Opin-Suka dual carriageway project being done by the Enugu State government.
Somebody and get together, make love last forever, every day and every night.
This is one project going on in Enugu that I'm yet to figure out what it is. But whatever it is that they are building here, I hope to see what it looks like when it's completed. And I'm glad that the project is still going on. There was a time that work kind of stopped here, but I'm glad to see that work has resumed. And hopefully it is going to be completed in due time so that we will all see and know truly what is being built here. This is the road leading to the new Enugu Smart City. The new Enugu Smart City project is an initiative of the current governor of Enugu State, Dr. Mbah. When I got here yesterday, nothing seems to be going on. The whole place looked deserted. I don't know if they are on break or the project has been abandoned, but I don't want to believe that the project is abandoned because the governor doesn't seem like somebody who does anything halfway. So I just want to believe that they are on break, and hopefully they will be back to site soon to continue what they have started. The project is really progressing fast. The last time I came here, they are rounding up the construction of the bridge linking Poda to the new Enugu.
Just me, do you feel the same? Were you up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way? Or should we stay, try to make things right, cause I get a little down. thinking about tomorrow. I get down. Should we call it quits and let go?
So for some of you who do not know where the new Enugu Smart City, the most talked about new Enugu Smart City, is going to be located, this is the site for the new Enugu Smart City, a section of it actually. So I will be here to update you guys on what is going on here. Currently what is still being done is the creation of access road into the city, but like I said, currently work is not going on, but I know and I'm sure that hopefully very soon work is going to commence, and I will be here to update you guys on the progress of work at the new smart city. See you guys some other time.